I enrolled in Professional Cookery Level 3 in Coleg Llandrillo. I was attracted by all the different kitchens and the brilliant facilities that they have, and the real working environment that they offer, which gives you a true taste of the industry that you're going into. In my first year, my skills developed considerably as well as my confidence. I spent a week in China with loads of different people and making lifelong friends, and I got to cook in the exclusive top floor kitchen in the Marriott Hotel. I went on to win a gold medal in the World Skills Pastry Chef of Wales competition and represented the college at Buckingham Palace after they received the Queen's Anniversary Trust Award in Excellence in Hospitality. I'd come so far and experienced so many different things, I wasn't ready to leave at all. So I decided to enrol on a degree course, and it's a decision that I don't regret one bit. The degree was hard. It was hard at times, but in the HE department was so brilliant with people like me who find it hard coming straight from vocational courses. It was brilliant in bridging that gap, and fantastic tutors. I graduated with a first-class honours degree, and it's something that I would never have been able to do without the excellent support from Llandrillo College. They've been brilliant, and now I've just accepted a permanent position in Heston Blumenthal's dinner in Knightsbridge, and I couldn't be happier, over the moon.